Alright everyone, to do low speed turns on a sport bike, because the handlebars don't turn so far and your forearms hit the gas tank, you need to over rotate your wrists and your arms to allow the bars to turn. But the main thing is you need a whole lot more lean angle, and therefore you need a little bit more speed. So everything is the same, clutch work the whole time. If you feel like you're going to drop your bike, ease out the clutch. And I also move my butt off the seat a little bit on the opposite side to allow the bike to lean some more. So this is me going through my MotoJitsu course that I set up in the chalk outline, and I'll also put a clip of what the course looks like of me demonstrating on a different bike, just so you can see it from a third person's perspective. And if you want to see me demonstrate this course on a whole lot of other bikes, just check out my Instagram. So get your wrists up and out of the way, and like anything, practice. Look in the description for my app, my books full of drills to go set up and practice on your bike. But if I could do that course on a 580-pound sport bike, then you have absolutely no excuse. Go practice. Alright everyone, I'm here at my practice spot with the Busa, and the chalk outline is still somewhat there, but there's a couple cars in the way of a lot of it. But I'll try to go through the course as much as I can anyway, so let's see.